Hello guys, this is Blog with Faria here. In today's little short clip, I'm going to take you on a wild RC car vlog. I hope you're ready for this. Please like and subscribe to my channel there. Please show your post notifications for there. Please leave a nice comment down below in the comment section of this video there. And also please share this video with your friends there. And guys, let's have fun guys, so here we go.
Yeah.
Down guys, so alright, so that's about it for my little short video, me doing an RC car vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's kind of crazy. Please like and subscribe to my channel there, Blog with Faria. Please show your post notifications for there. Please do a nice comment down below in the comment section of this video there. And also please share this video for friends there. And guys, this is Blog with Faria signing out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.